Hello students. Students, now we are going to cover another topic, that is intersection of two circles. Intersection of two circles. See students, two circles can be intersect in three different ways. First is two circles having different radii, that is R1 and R2, and different centers like O1 and O2 at 2 points. In the first case, at 2 points A and B, two circles intersect at 2 points A and B. In the second case, two circles intersect at only 1 point here, O1, O2, radius R1 and radius R2. Clear? And the third case, two circles do not intersect at all. Clear? See, one thing. In the second case, it also happens like this. It is O1 and radius R1, and second thing, center O2 and radius R2. Clear? In the second case, we have two cases. Like first, two circles intersect externally and two circles intersect internally. This case happens if the distance between the centers, that is O1, O2, is equal to the sum of their radii, that means R1 plus R2. In this case, we have the distance of their centers is equal to the sum of their radii. And in this case, what we have? The distance O1, O2 is equal to the difference of their radius R1 minus R2. Clear? So intersection of two circles can happen in these ways. Clear? Okay. Now students, one more thing. What is direct common tangent? Direct common tangent. What is direct common tangent? See, I am drawing two circles. Clear? It is O2, it is O1, radius R1 and radius R2. Clear? When two circles lies on the same side of a tangent, then the tangent is called direct common tangent. We can draw it as this way and this way. That means these two are tangents, common tangents of both the circles. And what is direct common tangent? The common tangent, or if two circles lies on the same side of a tangent or common tangent is called direct common tangent. Clear? And next one is transverse common tangent. Transverse common tangent. What is transverse common tangent? Suppose two circles, one is here and second one is here. Center O2, radius R2, center O1, radius R1. See, if we draw common tangent like this, that means two tangents lies on either opposite side of a common tangent is called transverse common tangent. We can also draw a line or a tangent like this. Clear? That means if two circles lies on the same side of a common tangent, then the tangent is called direct common tangent, and if two circles lies on opposite side of a common tangent, then the common tangent is called transverse common tangent. Clear? Students, see here two circles touch externally, then we can draw a common tangent here through the point of contact. That means this tangent is common for both the circles when they are intersect externally. Clear? Similarly, here this tangent is common for both the circles when they are intersecting internally. Clear? Okay, the students, pause the video to be noted down.